The moon has always been up in the sky, silently watching us, but what if suddenly it disappeared in this video? Let's explore the catastrophic and surprising consequences of this cosmic event. Get ready. Imagine waking up one day and noticing that the moon has simply vanished without a trace. No explanation. The first global reaction would be shock, followed by deep fear. The moon is much more than just a decoration in the sky. Its absence would trigger a domino effect across various natural systems of our planet. The moon is primarily responsible for tides on Earth. Without it, ocean levels would become more stable, but that's not good news. Coastal marine life would collapse. Entire ecosystems would disappear. Fishing communities would be severely affected, with a direct impact on food security. The moon stabilizes the tilt of Earth's axis. Without it, the planet would begin to wobble unpredictably. That would mean extreme changes in global climate. Tropical areas could freeze, while polar regions could warm drastically. It would be climate chaos. The seasons of the year depend on the tilt of Earth's axis. With the axis wobbling, we would face long, scorching summers, followed by endless, freezing winters. Agriculture would become unpredictable, and food production would plummet. Without the moon, nights would become incredibly dark. Visibility would be drastically reduced, affecting the nocturnal life of many animals, and even human safety. Furthermore, the starry sky would become even more impressive, but eerily empty. Many animals use the moon as a reference to migrate, hunt, or reproduce. Without it, migratory birds would get lost. Sea turtles wouldn't find their way to the sea, and nocturnal predators would have a harder time hunting. The food chain would suffer imbalances. In addition to unstable weather, the absence of the moon would affect agricultural traditions that follow lunar cycles. And although modern science does not rely heavily on this, small communities and organic practices still use the moon as a guide. This would bring confusion and loss of productivity. The moon has always had an impact on human culture. Many people feel a connection with its phases. Its absence would cause a collective psychological effect. Increased anxiety, a sense of emptiness, even depression. Some populations. The moon is also an emotional symbol. The moon seriously affects Earth's orbital balance and helps clear space debris. Without it, satellites could suffer interference. Orbits would become less stable, and the risk of collisions would increase. Our communications would be at risk. Our presence on the moon represents a great leap for humanity. Its absence would mean the loss of one of the greatest natural laboratories for space research. Missions to the moon would cease to exist, and we would lose an important springboard to reach Mars. The moon influenced the evolution of life on Earth. Its gravity helped form the seas, which were crucial in the transition from aquatic to terrestrial life. If the moon had never existed or were to disappear, the very trajectory of life could be drastically different. Ancient civilizations worshipped the moon. It was seen as a goddess, a calendar, and a spiritual guide. Its disappearance would shake not only science, but also spirituality. We would face a profound symbolic void, and a rupture in the cultural heritage of humanity. The moon acts as a natural shield, deflecting or attracting meteors that could strike Earth. Without it, we would be more exposed to asteroid bombardment, and the risk of catastrophic impacts would increase significantly. If the moon disappeared, there wouldn't be much we could do right away. But we could start developing Technologies. To artificially stabilize Earth's axis. Adapt tidal systems and create safe nighttime lighting. It would be a race against time and chaos. The moon seems silent, but its role is enormous. Without it, the world would be unrecognizable when we look at the sky. Today, we might want to appreciate more this cosmic companion that shaped Earth and our very existence. The universe is bigger than we can comprehend, and its mysteries are only beginning. Every day, a new video awaits you here. If you're drawn to the unknown, then you're in the right place. Subscribe, and keep exploring the dark side of the cosmos with us.